Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Price of Foldimate machine, the features, and how to get it in Nigeria. Price of Foldimate. What is Foldimate? The price of Foldimate has not been mentioned in our previous posts regarding Foldimates despite being the major question from our readers, which will be part of this post. However, the term Foldimate is not new to the regular posts readers on engineeringall.com due to previous posts publications regarding Foldimate. We were able to explain in detail the features of Foldimate and how important it is to have one. However, for the sake of those reading for the first time, we will make further explanation here. Foldimate is the new machine invented to assist in laundry service by ironing and folding clothes. The name Foldimate can be assumed to be a folding mate machine because it helps you to organize your clothes after laundry. This implies that after washing and drying your clothes either manually or through washing machines, Foldimate will be the next to iron and fold the clothes. We have been receiving many requests on how to purchase Foldimate in Nigeria after our previous publications. We couldn't give you a response then because we were trying to get the actual answer. This post will provide the answer to the question you have been asking. Importance of Foldimate. The importance of Foldimate cannot be overemphasized. A lot of people are getting busier, family chores are becoming more stressful as only a few can afford to keep a housemaid, young ones lack the proper laundry skill, and lots more. All these are part of the reasons Foldimate has been invented. Now you can carry out the whole family laundry within a few hours. Foldimate also helps professional laundry services companies to carry out their job as a professional. The low risk of the folding operation against tearing of the clothes makes it more encouraging to patronize. You can even learn how to fold clothes by simply looking at how Foldimate folds clothes. Machines that can be used with Foldimate. For a fully automated laundry services experience, you will need a combination of a washing machine and a Foldimate. While the washing machine washes and dries your clothes, the Foldimate takes care of the folding and dressing of the clothes. In that manner, your numerous clothes can be managed within a few minutes. You will be saving yourself a great deal of time by combining Foldimate with a washing machine in your home, as you will be spending just a few minutes carrying out your laundry activities. However, the effectiveness or sharpness of the Foldimate ironing of clothes cannot be compared to the ones ironed with electric pressing iron. Operating principles of Foldimate. Foldimate operates on the principle of heat transfer and links mechanisms. As the cloth receives heat, the rumbled lines disappear while the internal handles drag and position the various parts of the clothes in place and fold the cloth the way it should be. That is simply how Foldimate works. The complex mechanisms make it behave like a robot. You will notice movements similar to those of printers in the machine. Those are the arms positioning the clothes to get them folded. Possible problems that may be associated with Foldimate. For now, no major complaints about Foldimate have been shared with the public, maybe because it is still a new invention under inspection. However, the Foldimate is assumed to may have some problems just like any other machine. That problem may be the first fault indicator in the machine. Let us assume that after being in service for years that there should be faults from the machine. The likely faults would be broken mechanism. This could cause inaccurate folding of clothes and may cause the cloth to stick inside the machine. Power failure, coming from power supply unit, damage electrical components or electric motor. The tearing of clothes, this could start happening when the original mechanism settings of the machine may have been altered. Current price of Foldimate. This is where everyone may be interested. The price of Foldimate remains constant from the factory adverts. However, the merchants in charge of distribution have their own prices. For instance, the company noted that the market price as of 2019 was $980. This price remained the official price of Foldimate during its launch. However, the price of Foldimate has reduced significantly after its entrance into the market in 2019. According to the Alibaba suppliers, the current price of Foldimate ranges from $200 to $600. Meanwhile, there is another version of Foldimate which is meant for industrial folding jobs. This new version of Foldimate appears in different designs and with different working arrangements. The prices of the industrial Foldimate machine prices range from $2,000 to $20,000 depending on the sign and working capacity. How to buy Foldimate in Nigeria. Foldimate is a very important machine and current one of the most sought after. Therefore, it is necessary to put every commitment to secure the machine. Currently, there are no approved merchants in Nigeria selling or distributing Foldimate. Rather, Alibaba has been the major platform that the suppliers use to sell those in demand of Foldimate. For anyone living in Nigeria in need of Foldimate, the best approach currently is to order it through the Alibaba suppliers. The machine will be delivered to your doorstep through secured and reliable shipping platforms, and you will be issued a tracking code to track the machine until it arrives at your doorstep. Choose any of the Foldimates shown in the pictures above and click on it to make your order and get it delivered to you. Future expectations about Foldimate. As the use of Foldimate is becoming more popular, there are beliefs that similar machines with varying functionalities may continue to spring up, and the future Foldimates will be more sophisticated and may become robotic than we have currently. The evidence is the invention of the industrial Foldimate shortly after the invention of the domesticated one advertised publicly in 2018.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.